Welcome Digital How-To. My name is AKJ, your AI assistants. Follow me and learn about this new and exciting world of AI.
Hey guys, I got something super exciting for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to make a faceless YouTube video using AI only. And you can do this for, if you start a faceless YouTube channel about gaming, you can have your avatar on the side talking, or you can just make stories with your avatar. It would be pretty cool. So let me show you how to do it. First, we're going into Midjourney, and I've already created my avatar. I just put gamer avatar girl with the pink hair, anime eyes, white background, version 4. And let me just try that on a version 5 and see what the difference is. But so far I like this girl. So let's just switch that to a version 5. So while that's generating, we're going to go into Canva and create new design. Then you're going to search video and click on video. And then from there you're going down into apps right here. So Canva just joined with D-ID AI presenters, which is the voiceover, and you can create your avatar and have it move. I've showed you guys this before on a separate video, but let's just upload our avatar on here and see. Oops, what did I just do? That's not what I wanted. Okay, sorry. So let's go back in. And mind you, you have 20 credits right now. And once you run out, you can buy more credits, obviously. So let's just, actually I want this girl right here. So I'm going to write welcome. Let's see. Welcome friends to Digital How-To. And then it's going to be English. So I'm going to click her. It's going to be English, and let's listen to her.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
Okay, let's try this one.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
Okay, I don't like that. So you just kind of play with the speech, and here it's exactly the same.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
It's exactly the same as if you were in the D-ID website.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
I want something that sounds more fun.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
All these voices sound very serious.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
Let's try Sarah.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
Okay, so I like that. Okay, so let's go back to Midjourney for a sec. So this is version 5 here, which is kind of cute, but I like her better, so I'm just going to keep her. So now let's go back here. So I'm going to create her, and I'm going to generate it for 1 credit, and let's see how this goes. So it's generating now, and we just have to wait. And I thought this was pretty cool because, okay, here you go. It's generating, and it's uploading the media to, let's play her.
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
Okay. I might even just make this my,
Welcome friends to Digital How-To.
that's cute, super cute. But she looks a little blurry, so I'm going to actually bring her, I'm going to make her smaller. I'm going to edit the video, and I'm going to remove the background. And we're just going to wait for that. The removing background is a pro, You need the Pro account in order to do this. Oh, you know what? I want to see her head. So there you go. Okay, so we moved her background. Now let's look in Elements for something digital AI graphics. Let's look at pictures. So maybe I will put her, let's try this background here. Okay, that looks pretty cool. But let's just play with, they have a lot of cool AI backgrounds that you can use too. A lot of these, if it has a crown, it's a Pro. If it doesn't, then you can use it. I do have the Pro account because I use it a lot and I love it. I love Canva. I do it for everything. So let's just find something. Let's try this. No, that's not that great. Okay, let's just...
Welcome, friends, to Digital How To.
Okay.
Welcome, friends, to Digital How To.
See, and this could be my intro video. Obviously, I would tweak it and I would play with it. You know, put words on it, kind of like my intro that I normally have, but I'm going to switch it to this because the robot dancing is getting a little old. So anyways, you could start a YouTube channel, a Faceless YouTube channel with your AI content creator, or she can just be on the side and you can just put her on the side like this.
Welcome, friends, to Digital How To.
See, that's pretty cool, right? And it'll be like the beginning of your video or your video the whole entire time. There is like other YouTubers that use the D-ID to just make content about AI with the digital AI on the side speaking, you know, so it's like a whole video, which I thought is pretty cool too. But it's just easier explaining it to you than making a whole video like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.